All right, if your student is looking to get caught up in integrated math one, they're going to go into Google Classroom and they go up to where it says classwork up here in the middle tab here. Click on that. And then I have all the lessons listed right here. You can go all the way back to day one, which was on Wednesday, March 18th. Click on it. There's the lesson. It tells you what you need to do. There's day two. There's a lesson. They got to go to student.desmond.com and there's a code. Now, these first couple days, I just went back to try to check Compare Deck. It's been so many days now, it's already been archived. So I'm not sure if that's still accessible or not. So if it's not, your student's going to have to email me. I'm going to have to go in and do another one and turn it back on and give them a different code. It's going to be a major pain, but I can do that if they need to get into day one and two. All the other Pear Decks, they're still up and running. So those are all good to go. They can get right into those if there's another Pear Deck lesson. The only other thing in here as you're going through all these lessons, I have some that I did in quizzes, which I had a limited time period when it was turned on. So that'll probably be turned off. And Edulastic, that'll be turned off. I'm not going to go in right now and go turn those all on for a student because I don't know when they're going to get to it. If I go in there and turn it on now, then they don't get to it. They're going to be emailing me later on again to do it again. So I'm not going to go on a wild goose chase right now to go turn on a bunch of old stuff. If you come across something, you simply email me and I'll send that and I will take care of it and send it to you when you get there. All right. So that's how the process is going to work. You can see here, I put each day's lesson up on that day. So if you're really far behind, we are starting a new unit on Monday, May 4th, tomorrow. So you can do that unit. That has nothing to do with anything we've done before, has absolutely nothing to do with it. So what I would recommend students that are behind is you go ahead and start doing the lessons from May 4th on. So you're with the rest of the class, and then you go back and you catch up on the other things as you're working. But this last unit of study here we're doing this week and next week, again, it's completely separate. It's statistics and data analysis. So there's no prior knowledge to do that. So I would work there starting this week. And I have these lessons always posted no later than 9 a.m. of that day. So the Tuesday, May 5th will be up there. Most likely I'll put that up on Monday, but no later than Tuesday morning, 9 a.m. All right, hope that helps.